Nature has a mind of her own.
Sometimes calm, but sometimes her light shines in the dark.
A harsh reality, but explodes with wrath.
Then she tucks us
In a fog,
nature sleeps.
to bring life.